Now, this list of content I'm about to share with you guys are no longer allowed to be monetized on YouTube. So it's better you take precaution and put your energy into creating something that will make you more money here on YouTube. I'm going to be reading this list of contents directly from YouTube, and this list of contents are under content that are no longer allowed to be monetized on YouTube. Now, the first on this list is short video clip you compiled from other social media websites. Now, the amazing thing about the YouTube copyright identification system, the YCIX, is for the fact that even though you go outside YouTube to get video clips that are not already existing on YouTube and that was not originally created by you, immediately you upload that video to YouTube, you get a copyright flag from YouTube, right? So in that case, video clips you get from other social media websites, be it TikTok, Instagram, Snapchat, or even Facebook, that was not originally created by you, you just went to those websites or went to those platforms and get those videos and compile them together and publish to YouTube. You get copyright claim for doing things relating to this. You no longer make money from content relating to this. That's what YouTube is trying to let you know. Because trust me, you just went to use people's work, compiled it together, and post to YouTube, right? To you, you've done a lot of work, but to YouTube, they are telling you that we no longer pay you for content relating to this, right? So for the number 2 of list of content that are no longer allowed to be monetized on YouTube is clip of moments from your favorite TV show edited together with little or no narrative. Now, a good example of this is Big Brother Naija, right? Now you see people screen recording their television while Big Brother Naija is playing, or using another device, it might be their mobile phone, to record their television while Big Brother Naija is playing. And after Big Brother Naija has played finish, they went on to upload that videos to YouTube, right? With little or no narrative. Now, with little or no narrative means that you really did not give any context. You really did not do any change in the voiceover of the original clip, and you really did not remodify the content. You literally just did copy and paste and you upload it to YouTube. Now, if you create content relating to this, or if you do things relating to this, you no longer make money from content relating to this. That's what YouTube is trying to let you know, right? Just to give you a clear understanding of this kind of content, let's say a movie is playing on your television and you went ahead to start screen recording that movie from your mobile phone, right? And after you screen recorded the entire movie from your mobile phone, you went on to upload that movie to YouTube with little or no narrative, right? You do not give it any context, you do not do any change in voiceover, and you really did not remodify the content. You just went ahead to upload that video to YouTube. Bro, immediately you do that, you either get a copyright claim because 1, you're not the original creator of that content, 2, you just literally did copy and paste. You really did not modify the content, right? So if you create content relating to this, bro, you no longer make money from content relating to this. Now, for the number 3 of this list of contents that are no longer allowed to be monetized on YouTube is content uploaded many times by other creators, right? Now, this usually happens in 2 different cases, right? In the first case, it happened in collaboration between 2 creators, right? Now, you see 2 creators come together and create a content. Now, irrespective that this content was created by these 2 of these creators, right? Only one of those creators has the legal right to upload that video to YouTube. Now, because they created this content by themselves, the 2 creators, it doesn't mean that this creator will go and still upload this video to their channel, and this creator will still go and upload that same video to their channel, right? That doesn't happen any longer, right? If 2 creators come for collaboration, only one person has the legal right to upload that video to YouTube, right? So irrespective that your face is showing in the video and my face is showing in the video, we are 2 creators, right? And then you are like, since my face is showing in the video, I can still upload this video on my channel, and you can still upload this video on your channel. Things relating to this, YouTube no longer wants things relating to that. You no longer make money from content relating to this. Now, the best solution for both creators is to create a different content that both of them were in that video, and to create another different content that both of them were in that video, and then post those videos separately to their separate accounts, right? Now you might decide to share the video into two, right? Maybe we do the first part and then we'll do the second part, and the first part I'm posting the first part to my channel, and for the second part you're posting the second part to your YouTube channel. So that's the only way you can get paid from content relating to this. But uploading the same content in two different YouTube accounts, you no longer make money from content relating to this. Now for the number 4 list of content that are no longer allowed to be monetized here on YouTube is promotion of other people's content, even if you have their permission, right? Now this usually happens in the case of musical content, right? You see another channel, another YouTube channel posting another YouTuber's musical video on their platform, right? And then they act in the aspect that we are helping this creator promote their content to communities or to subscribers or to something, right? YouTube no longer wants content relating to that, right? Irrespective that you might get the person's permission to promote their content for that, YouTube no longer wants things relating to that, right? So if you create content relating to you are acting in the aspect that you're helping another creator to promote their channel or to promote their content on your page, just know that you no longer get money or you no longer get paid from videos relating to that. That's what YouTube is trying to let you know, right? I usually see these things, this case, in the aspect of musical videos. You see on another person's channel, that same musical video is playing on that channel, and the person is now in the aspect of like they are helping the person to promote the content. Meanwhile, you're also making money from that content, right? YouTube is letting you guys know that content relating to this, you no longer make money from content relating to this. So if you create content relating to those 4 contents I've shared with you guys, just know that you no longer make money from content relating to this on YouTube. I'm going to leave a direct link to YouTube community guideline in the aspect of content that are allowed to be monetized on YouTube and content that are no longer allowed to be monetized on YouTube, the full list, so that way you guys can go through the video, can go through the community guideline to see for yourself and to know the kind of content to create to make money on YouTube, so that you get a clear understanding of what to create before making videos or before creating content. And just in case you want to know how to make use of people's content here on YouTube and make money out of those contents, right, by uploading it to YouTube, check out this video over here. You're going to know how to use people's content the right way according to the YouTube community guideline. I created a video relating to that, so click on this video here to know how to use people's content here on YouTube and make money out of those content here on YouTube. Just in case you enjoyed this video, give me a thumbs up. If you got any value from this video, do well to click on the subscribe button. I'll see you guys in my next one. Till then, just stay safe and stay blessed. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.